Hello friend, welcome back. In a previous video, I already discussed about that things with you, how can change or update your password functionality from to these positions. Like if you logged in and now if you go to the change password, and here one things I want to share with you, like here if you put your old password, that means right now I'm already logging with the one of the password I just said 123456789, and now I want to add the new password like is 12345 12345, and here I also defining it. Okay, I just defined the new password. Now click on the update password. So when it should be updated, now you see it's now redirected to a login page. But now if you click on the go back, now here you can see after that logout you can access that change password page. So I am right now already logged out, but I can access that page. So you have to actually prevent it. So you can prevent it very easily in Laravel. Then you have to add some of the constructor for this one. Like go to your controller, there is a change password controller. On particular that position here I want to define that with the public. Like here I just define as a public, and then function, and after the function here I just define all these space and double underline, then the construct. So I just define the construct on particular that position. So with this construct here you have to define your middleware for the authentication. Like I just defining as a with these. Okay, with these here I just defining our middleware, and into the middleware I just defining our auth. Okay, that means the auth folder I just defining as a some of the privilegization on particular that area. So now that's all you have to do. So here I just defining it on particular that area. So now if you click on the save all, and now if you refresh it, like here I just refresh that page. Yes, now you see it's now automatically redirected to you the login page. Right now you are not able to access the change password page when you log out. I hope you can well understand about it. So that's the things I defining on particular that position. So friend, that is very much basic Laravel default authentication system, how can work with this one. So if you have any query, if you face any problem, or if you have any query, if you want to update that section, then let me know about it. I will create another video and add that video into the course section. So with your help, I want to make this course perfect for you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.